Hello class 10. So unit 5 green skills revision. Actually this is my second time revision video from this chapter. So before going to discuss green skills, at first let's discuss about our dependence on environment. So as we all know that we are dependent on forests, rivers, grassland. For what? For water, food, fuels, etc. So what is environment? Actually the word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding. So we know that our surrounding includes biotic, which is living thing, and abiotic, which is non-living thing. So let us come to our topic, green skills. So what is green skills? Basically it refers to the skills for sustainability or sustainable development. They include the knowledge, ability and values to develop a sustainable and resources efficient society. Sustainable development is conducted without depletion of natural resource. So depletion means reduction. If I will give an example, so the forest cut down is the one of the example of green skill. So now let us show you how the relationship between goes with society and environment. So the society constitutes of group of people living together for a community like a village, city, town or a state or in a country. It is so these groups of people have their own set of ideologies and beliefs which affect the environment. For example, if a group believes that the rivers are sacred, then all people belonging to group will resonate the practices, their support and their beliefs. So like ecosystem and factor causing imbalance. So the first point will be deforestation. Due to increase in population, the need for building houses has emerged. To overcome this challenge, more and more houses are built. Number 2 is degradation of land and soil erosion. Number 3rd point is overexploitation of resources. To satisfy our needs, we are not only using the resources available to us, but exploiting them as well as. So the 4th one is industrial and atmospheric pollution. Pollution. The 5th one is faulty mining practices. So large scale mining has caused conversion of agricultural land and forests to become stockyard, railway tracks, road, etc. Number 6 is e-waste generation. Advanced use of technology and gadgets has been raised lot of